Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to my Star Atlas recap of the latest Star Atlas Builder Hour. The following summary was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. The monthly Builder Hour, June 2025, Star Atlas Build Sync event serves as a forum for Q&A and requests for anyone building with the Star Atlas Build website, APIs, or documentation, with changes often implemented based on feedback from these events. Significant updates have been made to the Build website, making it more appealing and user-friendly for new builders by revising the wording to be less legalish and more welcoming. The website now clearly explains what Star Atlas enables users to build, from tools and dashboards to games, lore, blockchain explorers, and rental systems. It also features links to the Created IP program and developer resources, along with a direct call to action to join the Community Developers channel on Discord. The Creative IP section has been largely rewritten for easier navigation, and future improvements include adding a glossary for Star Atlas and Solana terminology, and updating the Galaxy API section to provide better data access, reducing the need for constant RPC calls. Additionally, they are refining the mainnet program IDs for improved navigation and have updated the player profile documentation with more details, which should enable builders to create DAC management tools or integrate multi-sig functionality. A new page has also been added for fleet rentals documentation, which is already being leveraged by community projects. Beyond the Build website, the team has introduced a Discord Messages API that allows extraction of messages from specific channels. They are actively fixing an issue where pulling messages from the Foundation Room channel only included team member messages, losing context. Soon, all messages will be publicly available via the API to ensure complete conversational context. Another ongoing project is the development of a Star Atlas ecosystem master list, compiling information on community-created projects, tools, guilds, DAXs, enterprises, and content creators. While still considering making it public due to contact information, the goal is for it to potentially become a collaborative effort. Regarding game development, a builder requested an API to pull leaderboard stats from UE5. This functionality will be easier to implement after upcoming updates to progression and stats within the UE5 infrastructure, Epic Online Services, allowing Star Atlas to integrate with popular stats pages like tracker.gg. The community also discussed the DAO Ecosystem Fund Scheme, which makes up to 5% of the ecosystem fund, approximately $10,000 to $19,000 per PIP, available to support community-developed projects with sufficient community support and adherence to rules. While few proposals have been submitted so far, one for an EVI author was approved, and help is available for those looking to access these funds. A significant upcoming change will be with the C4 update, which will alter much of the current documentation on how to communicate with the blockchain and programs. The team plans to release updated documentation for C4 in advance to help builders align their projects, and they are working on better ways to visualize information, including a glossary and a table to map program IDs and their relationships, which will be implemented closer to the C4 release. A major announcement is that the Star Atlas team will for the first time be developing native in-game automation tools for Sage-related products, such as Fleet Command and C4. This effort will be added to the Portal Product Board roadmap. While this native automation might be competitive with existing community-created solutions like Atom and SLY Assistant, the team believes these can coexist and encourages collaboration, offering to clarify their efforts with community builders. The goal of automation is to promote healthy habits, allowing users to delegate tasks rather than being glued to their screens. Community members also shared updates on their projects, with Matt detailing his system that pulls Discord announcements, minor and event announcements, in semi-real time, posts them on his website as a news feed, and is being developed into an email subscription service. He also highlighted his podcast that uses AI to generate audio summaries of Star Atlas meetings. The video also confirmed that the Star Atlas shooter game is playable during events, with persistent servers coming in the next update, and the Holosim real-time strategy game is also available.